My name's Steve Boyd. I'm the data center administration here with Wintech. Primarily, we are a window and HVAC enclosure door manufacturer. Being a small business, it's just really could not bring in all of the staff that was required to cover all the bases: security, database information, software. We just didn't have the capability to do that. One security slip could wipe out a year's profits for this small business, and we just couldn't risk that. So we had to bring somebody in. We made a decision to go with JMARK. And part of it was the philosophy of JMARK to enter into a partnership that was mutually beneficial. We've got a 24/7 umbrella that we've come to depend on. We have yet to find a failure in it. We get notification of we've got a failure before we even realize it. That's happened more than once. We partnered with JMARK after using some local services, and the reliability that JMARK has brought to this has just been phenomenal. We see a big change in most every aspect of our business just because we do have that reliability and we do have that umbrella of security.